The International Labor Day movement came out of the struggle to free workers from extreme conditions of repression, exploitation, and racism which generally existed in the late 19th century.
Come and chat with Tania.
Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Since 1890, May 1 has been reserved by many countries as the day to officially honor the labor movement. However, some countries chose different days in May to celebrate it. In Jamaica, Labor Day is celebrated on May 23rd of each year. In 1961, a bill in Parliament abolished the public holiday Empire Day. Empire Day was the birthday of Queen Victoria of England, the monarch attributed with abolishing slavery. Her birthday was a public holiday celebrated May 24th. The new bill in Parliament, however, designated May 23rd as Labor Day, the day which marks the anniversary of the working class movement, which began in Jamaica in 1938. By 1938, Jamaica was ripe for labor unrest. Laborers were grossly underpaid and several strikes broke out across the island, with workers all asking for the same thing: better wages. The most outstanding of these unrest was the riot at Frome Sugar Factory, which occurred in May of that 1938. One prominent figure that arose from the 1938 upheavals was St. William Grant. He was a labor leader, Black nationalist and Garveyite. Grant spoke loudly for the rights of workers and was even arrested in 1938 for his firm stance. However, he sank from the pages on history into obscurity and poverty. His contributions have not been forgotten, though, and the Victoria Parking Parade in the center of Kingston was renamed in memory of St. William Grant in 1977. In 1974, he was awarded the Order of Distinction posthumously. It was from these labor upheavals that trade unions were formed to champion the cause of Jamaican workers. From 1961 until 1971, Labor Day was mainly celebrated by the trade unions in collaboration with the political parties to which they were affiliated. These celebrations took the form of public rallies, meetings, and marches, which were held primarily in the corporate area. There were occasions when the marches of the opposing major trade unions and the political parties clashed, contrary to the original concept that Labor Day should be a demonstration of unity among the workers of Jamaica. There was one additional dimension to the celebration, instituted by the Most Honorable Hugh Shearer when he became Prime Minister in 1967. This was in the form of a Labor Day reception at Jamaica House. This is a tradition which still stands today. Hugh Shearer began his political career as a trade unionist. He took part with Bustamante and other union officers in negotiations with employers in some of the most important labor disputes. In 1953, he was appointed island supervisor of the union. In 1977, he became the president of the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union and in the ensuing years built the union into the largest in the English-speaking Caribbean. Information was provided by the National Library of Jamaica. Origins of Modern Labor Day. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Chat Jamaican for more valuable Jamaican content. Thanks for watching. Little more.